Click on the link below to get price. The WatchDog NXT60 Crawlspace Dehumidifier is a standout appliance designed specifically for managing humidity levels in crawlspaces, basements, and other enclosed areas. With a sleek white exterior, this unit is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it suitable for various home environments. One of the most impressive features of the NXT60 is its capacity. It can effectively remove up to 60 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for areas prone to dampness. This is particularly beneficial in regions with high humidity or for homes that suffer from water intrusion. The built-in humidistat allows users to set their desired humidity level, ensuring optimal performance. When the humidity rises above the set level, the device automatically activates, providing peace of mind without needing constant manual adjustments. The NXT60 is designed for ease of use. Its compact size allows for easy installation in tight spaces, and the integrated handles make it convenient to move when necessary. The unit is equipped with a continuous drainage option, which means you can connect a hose for hassle-free drainage. This feature eliminates the need to frequently empty the water tank, making maintenance a breeze. Another noteworthy aspect is its energy efficiency. The WatchDog NXT60 operates quietly and uses less energy compared to many other dehumidifiers on the market. This not only helps reduce electricity bills but also contributes to its eco-friendly design. Performance-wise, users have reported significant improvements in air quality and a reduction in mold and mildew odors, which is vital for maintaining a healthy living environment. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of crawlspace conditions. In conclusion, the WatchDog NXT60 Crawlspace Dehumidifier is a reliable choice for anyone looking to combat excess moisture in their home. With its efficient operation, user-friendly features, and effective moisture control, it stands out as a top contender in the market for crawlspace dehumidifiers.